is on wait. Let's wait for it to turn. So when you plug it, it will go like this. It will be on off. Then it will come to wait. So now it is on wait. So it will come here immediately. Immediately it will come here means it is on. So on means the fridge will turn on automatically. So let's wait for it. This is just an example. So how to do it. You wait for it. You plug it in, wait for it to turn on. You don't plug it and then it will come on. It will turn on immediately. So let's wait for it. You have to wait small for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, let's say 2 minutes. Yes, as you can see. As you can see, now it is on. So imagine if there is a fridge here. The fridge will be on by now. So this is how we do it. Thank you guys. Subscribe and share. Thank you.